143 million pounds of beef trashed, the entire country's fresh spinach supply banned, factory floors are hiding invisible threats that can bring down a billion-dollar brand overnight. The alarms are blaring, massive machines are locked down, and millions of dollars are burning. The craziest part, many of these disasters happen right under the noses of the people trying to stop them. These are the top 5 biggest food safety disasters in the US. Part 1, the 143 million pound beef recall. In 2008, a massive California plant suffered the largest beef recall in history. It wasn't a cleaning error, but a massive failure in human safety checks. Desperate to keep production moving, managers skipped critical inspection steps for sick animals. This massive breach in protocol created a terrifying risk of severe disease entering the food supply. Once the rule breaking was exposed, the government shut the whole plant down. It proved that relying completely on human perfection and manual checks always leaves room for catastrophic error. PathogenFocus air disinfection biosecurity systems can help supplement your facility's safety routines. Engineered for use in occupied spaces, these systems operate continuously to proactively mitigate pathogens. Part 2, the peanut paste domino effect. In 2008, a massive Georgia peanut plant had a serious upkeep problem. A leaky roof allowed rainwater to drip directly into the dry peanut roasting and sorting facility. That dirty water sparked a deadly nightmare. The moisture mixed with peanut dust to create a perfect breeding ground, allowing salmonella to explode across the dry processing lines. Combined with severe pest problems and faked lab safety results, the infected paste was shipped out anyway, infecting over 3,900 different consumer products nationwide. PathogenFocus systems offer a helpful solution for dry environments. Using non-thermal cold plasma, the technology works continuously to mitigate airborne pathogens without adding moisture, requiring additional chemicals, or leaving behind any residue. Part 3, the 35 million pound deli meat crisis. In 1998, a massive Michigan deli plant underwent heavy construction. Jackhammers and renovations shook the old building, disturbing dormant bacteria hidden deep in the factory's structure. That floating dust carried a cold-blooded killer. Deadly Listeria bacteria floated up to the ceiling and settled thick on the cold overhead refrigeration pipes. Condensation built up heavily on the pipes. Before long, the sweating pipes began dripping infected purple droplets directly onto the fresh hot dogs passing below on the belts. The airborne spread went completely unnoticed until people got sick, causing a tragic and deadly 35 million pound meat recall. PathogenFocus systems are well suited for cold storage facilities, working in conjunction with your existing HVAC system. The technology provides proactive automated treatment to help reduce microbial contamination. Part 4, the fatal fruit processing flaw. In 2011, a massive Colorado fruit farm bought old, complex potato washing machinery to scrub their harvest of fresh melons. That machine brought a deadly hidden threat. The equipment featured deep crevices that couldn't be easily cleaned, creating invisible reservoirs for dangerous bacteria. To make matters worse, the farm stopped using sanitizing chemicals and relied entirely on plain water. The hidden Listeria survived the gentle rinse and coated every single melon. Health inspectors eventually found the machines loaded with bacteria. The farm was forced to shut down, their harvest ruined by a threat they couldn't see. PathogenFocus treatment is not limited to line of sight. Highly reactive molecules are dispersed everywhere the indoor air can reach. Part 5, the nationwide fresh greens crisis. In 2006, California's spinach fields were breached by wild pigs and cattle. The animals tracked feces loaded with dangerous E. coli directly into the crops. Once the E. coli hit the plants, it found the ultimate hiding spot. The bacteria wedged itself deep inside the microscopic folds and plant tissues of the spinach leaves. Because the threat was inside the leaf structure, standard factory washing couldn't reach it. The E. coli survived the water baths and was bagged up alive. The government halted all fresh spinach sales nationwide. The complete ban crushed the local economy, leaving farmers with tons of healthy crops rotting in fields. PathogenFocus systems support biosecurity for organic operations. Certified to meet USDA National Organic Standards for sanitizers, the technology leaves behind no chemical residue and helps reduce microbial burden. Check out our systems at PathogenFocus.com.